Today I am at Supreme Homes and behind me is their Bali model. At first glance, this might look like your run-of-the-mill manufactured home. However, not so fast. What we're dealing with here is a 1,440 square foot, 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home, and something they've done on this model solves a problem that a lot of people run into. Let me explain. I see it in the comments all the time. People say that the minimum width in bylaws is preventing them from putting the home they want on their lot, and we've got a workaround here. Now, if you're looking at the side, you're thinking, what the heck is he talking about? But to see it, we have to go inside. And not only is it a workaround on bylaws, but it also makes a big difference on how the home feels. Let's check it out. So you saw the end of the home in the second shot. The majority of the length of the home is that width, which is 16 feet wide. However, right across from the entrance, the dining room and the kitchen is this living room that goes out an extra 15.5 feet. And not only does this make the great room, I guess we'll call it, so much more inviting, but it also adds extra width, which allows them to put this in more places. The added width workaround, I guess you could call it, is just the tip of what they've got going on in this home. There's definitely lots to talk about. One of the things that I like that they do here at Supreme, and I've seen it in a few of their models, is these big, bold features where the homes come together. So it's not a secret that this home shipped in 2 pieces and gets joined together on site. And rather than trying to hide the seam, they've embraced the fact that it comes in 2 pieces and they make this big, bold wood feature and then tie it into other things in the home. So this wood feature matches the island, it matches the wine rack, it matches the storage by the door. And I think this is a way better option than trying to hide where the home comes together. It's not a secret, okay? Another bonus about the added width on this home is it's allowed them to make an extra large kitchen. So if that living room didn't exist, this space would have to be shared between the living room and kitchen, but because it does exist, they're able to make the kitchen much bigger. The focal point of the kitchen, in my opinion, is this massive island. So it's got the sink in here, bar stools on that side, and on this side, so lower cabinet there, garbage drawer here, cabinet under the sink, and then over here, they have got the dishwasher. At the end, they've got a wine rack, nothing on this side of the island, and I don't think there's anything on this side either. So on the outside wall of the kitchen, fridge on the left, storage up above, obviously, a bank of drawers there, stove there with the range hood, another bank of drawers here, and I like how they've got a window on either side. Again, that's only possible because this kitchen has become oversized. Typically, that would be used as storage because none of this over here would exist, which I'm going to get to in a second. So we don't need to have every square inch a cabinet because we've got room for cabinets in other places and we get windows bringing in natural light in the kitchen, which is great. I just now realized that there are 2 fridges in this home. I'm not kidding, I just now realized that. Why are there 2 fridges in this home? I don't know. So this maybe is the ultimate chef's kitchen. Maybe, I don't know. I'm a bit stunned, to be honest. I don't know how I didn't realize there was 2 fridges. This is my second time in here, but there are in fact 2 fridges in this home. I gotta regroup. Everybody stop what they're doing because I've got a big important announcement. There isn't 1 fridge in this home. There isn't 2 fridges in this home. There's actually 3 fridges in this home because they've got a wine fridge over here across from fridge 2. This is the world record for the amount of fridges that I've seen in a home. Above the fridge, even more storage here. We've got kind of a little bar area, I guess you'd call it, and then they've got a cabinet down below. 3 fridges. 3 fridges. Behind fridge 3, they've got a walk-in pantry and, you know, more cabinet space and a countertop, lower cabinets, pocket door, 3 fridges. Unbelievable. One of the things I've noticed after being in a few models from Supreme Homes is they get that people like somewhere to hang up their jacket. They like a bit of storage by the front door. And I like the way they do it. Instead of having a typical closet with a bifold door or something like that, they build more of a cabinet looking structure, and inside it's a kind of like an armoire. So they don't have the rod in there yet, but you could definitely put a couple shelves and then have a place to hang your coat at the top. And I just like the look rather than, you know, a normal run-of-the-mill closet. I've seen it in a few of their homes, and I think it's a great feature. Directly off the kitchen, they've got this hallway which leads to bedroom 2 and 3, as well as the main bathroom. This right here is a utility closet. All that's in there is the hot water tank. So here, bedroom 2, bedroom 3, hall closet here, 1, 2, 3, 4 shelves. And then down at the end, they've got the main bath. There's gonna be a bit of an echo in here because it's not staged, but bedroom 2 is 10'4" by 11'5". You got your window, you got your heat, and you got your closet over here in the corner. Moving on. Bedroom 3 is gonna be pretty much the same. However, because it's in line with the bathroom, it does have a little bit different dimensions. So this is 11'7" by 9'2". Again, window, closet, you get the drift. The main bathroom at the end of the hall has everything that you would expect to see in a bathroom. Tub shower, toilet, vanity, and they've got a bank of drawers on the vanity, which is always kind of nice. Between the kitchen and the main bedroom, they've got this pass-through that creates a bit of separation, and the use for it is the laundry room. So the washer dryer would go under there. They've got cabinets up above, and then they've got this big bank of cabinets over here. So definitely no shortage of storage in this house. The main bedroom is 11'8" by 15 feet. And the most noticeable thing about this space is the windows. So there's 2 windows on that wall, and then there's 2 smaller windows on this wall. So you got natural light flowing in from both sides. And then on that side over there, you've got the walk-in closet. And this is the ensuite. The ensuite has a walk-in shower on this side. That's obviously the toilet. And then the vanity is right here. The biggest difference between the 2 bathrooms is this vanity has 2 banks of drawers, so you could designate one just for a fresh toothbrush if you're really organized, which I am not. Finally, this is the walk-in closet at the very end of the home. However, it is not where this tour ends. I'm gonna do a continuous walkthrough because I feel like I kind of jumped around, and I want you to be able to get a feel for the flow of the home. So let's do that. All right, let's do this. Heading in the entrance, they've got a bench right by the front door and a mirror, so you can do a fit check right before you head out. Now, there's that cabinet slash armoire that I was talking about where you can hang up your jacket or do whatever you want with that. We're gonna go past the dining room into the living room that I've been raving about. Window, couch, window, window, sliding glass door, window, window, mantle, fireplace, window. There is the first look at that kitchen. Double fridges. You can see it from this angle. Not really sure how I missed that the first 2 times around. Seems pretty obvious at this point. So there's fridge 1. We've got the lower banks of drawers there. We're going to cruise by the windows to the second fridge, and then there it is. There's the third fridge in that little bar area. Now this is the pantry. All sorts of storage in there. I'm going to give you a look at the back side of the island. You can tuck your bar stools under there, another cabinet there, and then we head down the hall towards bedrooms 2 and 3 and the bathroom. Bedroom 2 or possibly 3. Bedroom 3 or possibly 2. Oh, there's a tour coming in here. There you go. So there's the main bathroom on the end. They don't have the mirror up just yet. Heading back the other direction, there's a look at the dining room. Cool chandelier on this one. And then again, one last look at the kitchen before we cruise through the laundry room into the main bedroom. So no washer dryer yet, but that's where they'll go. Got the storage up there, and then more storage over here before entering into the main bedroom. Down here, the ensuite, vanity, toilet, walk-in shower. Coming back around, walk-in closet. And we will head back out to the main part of the home, which is, of course, by far my favorite. Look at this space. Really like that a lot.